Hi everyone, today we're going to do the exploding baggie science experiment. So the first thing you'll need is a sandwich bag, tissue paper, water, vinegar, and baking soda. Also, I'm going to add in food coloring. Alright, so first we're going to add the water. Now we're going to add vinegar. Okay, now I'll put this to the side. Okay, we're going to add baking soda in the middle of our tissue paper. So I'm going to get 3 tablespoons of baking soda. 1, 2, a little bit more, 3. Then I'm going to fold it into a square, just like that. Now I'm going to grab my water and vinegar baggie, and I'm going to, I'm going to add my food coloring. Shake it a little bit, okay. Now I'm gently, slowly going to add this in, and then seal it up really quickly. And then I'm going to shake it, and let's watch. What will happen? Will it explode? Will it blow up like a balloon? Or nothing? Let's stand back and watch. It's blowing up. It's getting bigger. You hear it sizzling? It's getting bigger. Ooh, pop! And exploded. The bag exploded. How fun was that? Bye guys.